candy hangover. Hi everyone, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. Well, kinda. You know, because this is my house. But hi, if you're kind of new here, welcome. Today, I've had so much candy. I woke up this morning and I went, ooh, Heath bar. And I went to bed last night going, ooh, Milk Duds. Yeah, it's chocolate overload. I never thought I'd say those words. I need to use up some veggies or some produce. I need to feed my family, my husband, and our extremely spoiled puppy. And, well, you need to put it on paper so we get an idea of what we're doing. Let's go to the fridge, see what we got to use. So my goal, not to spend a boatload of money, because I know we have food. I know we have tons of food. So let's see what's in here. Down here, I have some blueberries. I think I'm going to make it an oatmeal thing. There, I have some gluten-free raisin bread, some turkey lunch meat, and some gluten-free and a flavor packet in the background. Up here, I have bunches of milk. We have chocolate milk. Lots of chocolate milk. I have eggnog because it's that time of year and it's never too soon. I have regular milk. I have almond milk. I have lactose-free almond milk. I have a mustard. I should put that over here. I have some yogurt that I'm probably going to throw away here, and some Activia yogurt that I enjoy. In the behind that, I have cacio de pepe stuff that I bought at Aldi. I think I'm going to try and use that this week. I have some V8 Energy right there because I was at the store. It sounded good. I have garlic, another yogurt. And to my crisper drawer, I have carrots, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, an open bag of cheese, or block cheese. And in here, I have more candy because priorities, and cheese. I have the usual condiments like butter. I have a creamer thing, jelly, liquid smoke, jalapenos, and then all of this. Holy mackerel. There's stuff I need to get rid of in here. And then, here's the freezer. I know that's celery. That's probably going to get used sometime soon. These are smoothie packs. That's a freezer meal that I need to use. We got a lot of crap I need to organize. These are onions because we put them. I have some bacon and some more meat. And it looks like pot roast. Here I know there's frozen pizzas at the bottom. I have some frozen burritos because I like them too much. This tomato paste. I have some beans. I have an orange chicken. I have more pepperoni. And, yeah, more candy apparently. Yeah, there's some stuff in there that I'm like, goodness, what am I gonna do? Like, probably reorganize my freezer? Maybe I should eat from the freezer and then reorganize later. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I know there's some chicken in there. I know I have a lot of meat. All right. I think I have kind of a plan. Now, in case you didn't know, there's only the two of us. So, I cook once, we eat twice. That's how I do. This might be the smartest thing I do. Did you guys know that I'm gluten-free? Yeah, I am. Everything we eat is gluten-free, for the most part. Sometimes I get a cookie, And sometimes I pay, and every time I do that, I pay for it. But yeah, I'm gluten-free. Okay, so today is November 1, and I happen to know my aunt and uncle are coming over and we're doing pizza and wings. Yay, pizza and wings. And so Monday, what am I going to do? I did find some pot roast in the freezer. So I think I'm going to do pot roast is frozen. We have turkey we need to use up. We have cauliflower we need to use up. I'm sure, I think I have some like Cheese Whiz stuff. And I know, gosh, I have enough blocks of cheese that, okay. So we're going to do a turkey, cauliflower, broccoli, cheese, bake. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking is I have some cauliflower I need to cut up and use. I have some frozen broccoli. I have some turkey lunch meat that I need to use. And something that my mom always did is instead of cauliflower, she would use like potatoes or something. But she would then cut up the potatoes and bake them or put them in the microwave for a little bit and put them in the oven with the broccoli, the turkey, and cover it with whatever cheese we had in the house. And that's probably going to be one of those meals that we eat once because my husband will get down because it's all veggies. That's his favorite thing in the world, I think. I see I also have 2 lemons on my... Oh, we're going to my grandparents this day, so I know that is a vote. Okay, so on the 3rd, we're going to go watch the results, the election results with my grandparents. And so that means, well, we're just going to be eating whatever fast food or whatever with them. Likely easy, whatever. Wednesday, I have some lemons. So I think I'm going to do lemon chicken. And I just realized I wrote that in red, so I'm not going to have the best time reading that later. And then we'll do roasted potatoes. And veg. Okay, so lemon chicken, roasted potatoes, and veg, because I know I have potatoes, because they're from the garden. Thursday. That will only be one night also, because I have one giant chicken breast up here. And then Thursday, I think I'm going to do something with a pot roast, like tacos or something of the sort on the 5th. And I know I have Spanish rice and refried beans downstairs, so that's easy. Friday. This will likely feed us for 2 days, so we'll do leftovers on Friday, which I know will be easy for us, and then Saturdays we go out. So, sorry, I'm moving the thing around. But, so this is how we'll do. Today we have pizza and wings, because my aunt and uncle are coming over. This here we're going to do a turkey cauliflower cheese bake thingy. Going to my grandparents on election day to watch the results. I already took the next day off because either way I'm going to be drinking. On the 4th, I think we're going to do lemon chicken. And then I found some pot roast in my freezer from a couple weeks ago. So I think what I'll do is make like pot roast tacos. We'll have leftovers on Friday. And on Saturday, we're going out. We got a plan. So the only thing I think we're going to need to buy this week is lettuce for our tacos. If we want it. Cool. Yay! We've got a plan for 2. Gluten-free. No extra groceries. We win.